Good morning everybody, myself Raghveer Jha. Today we will read chapter 10, Angles. We know previously about angles. Whenever two line segments join together, then angle is formed. That means the inclination which is produced by joining two line segments is called angle. The standard unit of angle is degree. It is measured by a protractor, and angles can also be constructed with the help of protractor. There are different types of angles: acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, reflex angle, complete angle. We will read about them in this video one by one. Chapter 10, Angles. Angle, the inclination which is formed after joining two line segments, is called angle. An angle has one vertex and two arms. It is represented by the symbol angle. An angle can be represented by three ways. In the given figure, the vertex of angle is Q. PQ and QR are the arms of angle. Vertex is a point where two line segments join together. In the given figure, angle can be represented by three ways as angle PQR, angle RQP, or angle Q. The standard unit of angle is degree. An angle can be measured or constructed with the help of protractor. Types of angles. An angle whose measure is 0 degree is called zero angle. For example, in the given figure, the measurement of angle between B and A is 0 degree, so this is called zero angle. Acute angle. An angle whose measure is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. For example, in the given figure, the angle is between 0 degree and 90 degree, so this is acute angle. Right angle. Right angle is that angle whose measurement is equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle. An angle whose measure lies between 90 degree and 180 degree is called obtuse angle. In the given figure, the angle is between 90 degree and 180 degree, so this is obtuse angle. A straight angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 180 degree is called a straight angle. An angle whose measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. In the given figure, the angle is reflex angle because its measure is greater than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. Complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degree is called complete angle. Name the vertex and arms of the following angle. In figure A, the vertex is R and arms are QR and PR. In figure B, the vertex is M, arms are LM and MN. Interior and exterior of an angle. The parts of angle which are situated inside of an angle is called interior of the angle, and the points which are situated outside of an angle is called exterior of the angle. The points which are situated at the arms of angle is called situated at angle. The points which are situated inside of an angle and at the arms of angle is also named as situated at angular region. In the given figure, points P, X, L and M are interior of the angle BAC. Points B, A and C are at angle BAC, and points Y, Q and R are exterior of angle BAC. Worksheet 1. First question. Name the following angles and write their type. As we observed in first figure, the angle YXZ is right angle. In second figure, angle A is acute angle because its value is less than 90 degree. In third figure, angle 1 is also acute because its value is less than 90 degree. And in fourth figure, the angle at P is complete angle because it is of measurement 360 degree. Now I give you some questions to solve in the class. Solve these questions and send it to me. The first question is, draw the following angles as per their types. Use only a scale and pencil for this. First, angle A, angle LMN, reflex angle. In A, angle LMN, reflex angle. B, angle Y, obtuse angle. C, angle XYZ, complete angle. D, angle 3, reflex angle. Question number 2. Arrange the following angles according to their measure in ascending order. Obtuse angle, comma, straight angle, comma, zero angle, comma, right angle, comma, reflex angle, comma, complete angle, acute angle. Name the points in the interior of angle LMN. In B, name the points which lie in the angular region of angle LMN. In C, name the points which lie in the exterior of angle LMN. Question number 3. Write the kind of angle formed between A, north and south, B, north and northwest, C, west and east. Question number 4. Fill in the following blanks. A, reflex angle measure more than dash less than dash. B, complete angle is equal to dash right angles. C, minute hand turns through dash degrees from the degree 2 to 3. D, angle of measure 345.5 degree is a dash angle. Question number 4. 4.1. Name the point which is interior of angle POR but in the exterior of angle SOR. Question 2. Is point Q lie in the exterior of angle ROP and situated in the interior of angle ROS?